Welcome back to the channel and the second video of this mini-series of the products I use on my own personal vehicles. Now that we have the combination picked out that we want to go around the Discovery here and remove hard water spots and imperfections, that is the Koch Chemie F601 and a Eurofiber 50/50 pad. We just repeat the whole process all the way around the vehicle, a crisscross pattern, which is equal to 2 passes. And we can move on to the next step. Each product used has their own showcase on the channel, and you can check those out if you want to look into them further, and I'll try to remember to put each link down below in the description box. You could keep it simple and just add F6 to your arsenal and a bunch of pads. And then depending on the type of imperfection that you're chasing and you want to remove, you just match up the pad that can remove them. The hard water spots and imperfections have been removed, and F6 really does finish down well. Many could just add protection from here and be completely satisfied. But with silvers, whites, champagne colors, grays, it takes a little bit more effort to really grab your attention as you're walking by. So I'll put the extra effort and grab Extreme Solutions Finale and team it up with CarPro's Gloss Pad. The first appearance on this channel, the CarPro Gloss Pad, is a multi-layer pad. It is a very soft finishing glazing pad. Team the pad up with Finale and you have a great combination on soft or clear, which this is, and on colors where you need to put extra efforts and extra steps to make them pop. You can also use it to jewel. The extremely soft, non-aggressive pad and Finale can be worked as long as you need them to get the results you're looking for. And as we remove the residue, we can see very minute details in the reflections that we did not have before. I'm satisfied. Before moving on, I want to get some numbers behind what I'm seeing, and with all of these instruments and tools, to get them to be consistent and reliable, have them at full charge, and always calibrate before you use them. Calibration on this machine is 101, and that happens to be exactly the unit of gloss we're picking up on this before we even add protection. Excellent. With the hood complete, we just continue this process all the way around the car. It will not take you long, and when we're finished, you could just sit back, take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy those results. Okay, after a short break and enjoying the paint, we want to get to the black piano finish on the pillars, and it happens to be on some other pieces of plastic trim as well. They definitely need to be restored, and that's what I'm going to do next. 3-inch polisher, a Eurofiber 50/50 pad, and F6 coming back out again. For the next step, switch over to a soft finishing pad of your choice and grab the Extreme Solutions Finale once again. Before we move on, let's just pause and take a sidebar so I can show you. After the correction, hardly any measurable clear was removed at all during the process, and that's exactly what we're looking for on the newer vehicles like this. Moving right along, let's prepare for the coating itself and remove any polishing oils or residue with Ethos Detox. The coating of choice for this vehicle will be Ethos Ceramic Matrix Coating. This is a very easy coating to apply to your vehicle and will give you some killer results. Time to address the black plastic trim, as that will only be temporary. We will be replacing that with a black piano finish trim package picked out by the shop manager here. Hey girl. The Cerakote professional grade trim coating is ready to go. Let's apply it. I get tons of questions on Cerakote plastic trim coating, and the best tip I can give you, even though it doesn't mention it, is to follow up with a very, very light wipe of a microfiber towel after the initial application to make sure you have even coverage, and it just makes the panel look incredible. It doesn't matter what texture the plastic is. Very lightly, and it also kicks back the gloss to exactly where I like it and gives me a nice, even, streakless coat. Okay, next, and important for me, especially at nighttime. Nighttime driving is not very fun. My eyes are in horrible shape, so the glare really drives me nuts. Coatings for windows really help with that. We're going to use Raincoat from Tax Systems. Cuts down on the glare and also gives you that hydrophobic characteristic to the windshield where you can shut off your wipers at about 20-25 miles per hour, and the water will just blow up over top. And for the tires, no doubt at all, Fireball tire coating. Now, they did change up the colors where the gloss is now red instead of blue, and it's in different bottling, but it's the same incredible product. And that's it. That's everything I use on my vehicle. The shop manager is happy. We finally get to go home so she can get a bone with a little bit of peanut butter inside. And we can let this cure for the next 24 to 36 hours. And it's ready for wintertime. That's going to do it for this short mini series here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'll try to put links for all the products I use in my own cars down below. But yeah, things may change slightly depending on the type of surfaces I'm working on as I change from one vehicle to another. But that's pretty much what I use. Catch you guys in the next video.